Yo, I just got my IKEA couch in, shipped to me. Charged me like 50 bucks. Got it delivered in all these pieces. To be honest, I'm a lazy guy. I'm not really looking forward to building this thing at all, but you know, it's time and I cannot wait to have a finished couch, so I'm about to start building it right now. I'm just kind of curious how long this is gonna take me, so I'm gonna time it and I'm gonna do a time lapse as well. You know, gotta film the goods. Yeah, I got the IKEA HÄRLANDA. I went to IKEA, I like sat on all the couches. I needed one that was long because I'm 74 inches tall, 6'2". I needed one that would fit me, and I don't want one with the, whatever they're called, like the footrest things, because I just don't want to mess with that. I just wanted a wide, normal couch, and I sat on all them. I thought it was gonna be the Finella or whatever, and that couch was terrible. I did not want that couch. It was firm as hell. I would never even want to sit on it, but this one was squishy. You just sink in, so let's hope I put it together all nice. All right, I got my couch finished. Such a good feeling. Oh my God, so yeah, it took me like 2 hours and 24 minutes, I think. Yeah, 2 hours, 24 minutes to assemble. Now, before you judge me, whatever, because I'm sure someone in the comments is gonna be like, yo, dude, I built that shit in like 40 minutes, man. Just slow pokers, whatever, you know, but I am just a slow dude, I guess, when it comes to certain things. It was definitely some annoying parts trying to, basically the hardest part was getting these armrests on, like the bolts didn't seem to go far enough for the washer to fit sometimes, but I made it work. Anyone can make it work. You'll get it if you buy this couch, you'll be fine. I also lost a washer. It does not come with extras, so that's annoying. I am definitely liking it so far. I mean, you know, it's brand new. It has a weird smell because, you know, it came from like the factory, you know, VOCs or whatever. But that'll go away. And they said the cushions wouldn't be that plump like when I got it. It would take 72 hours to fluff up, but they seem fine right now, honestly. I don't even care if they change. I don't even know if they're gonna change. I feel like they're great. So that's cool. And yes, it fits my full length body. Also, this came with, so there's 5 back pillows. I don't know, maybe it's the fancy design. I'm not that fancy. I don't really get it, but so I just have basically an extra pillow that I'm just gonna put here because I'm not gonna put them like this. It's like how other people do it, I think. I don't know what they do, but I basically got a, whatever, an extra pillow there, so that's cool. It fits my full body. Unbelievable. So hard to find a couch like this. Look at that. Unbelievable, so cool. I'll be laying on this thing a lot. It is hella comfy. It's just, so far, I mean, this is like an initial review. It could change, you know, a year from now or something, but couldn't have asked for a better couch, honestly. It's like perfect. Then again, I'm not like a couch expert. This is my first couch I ever bought, but loving it so far. It's crazy that the edge, like the whole couch has a cover that comes off if you want to wash it, which is cool as hell if you need to, if it gets dirty and stained or something, or if you just want to buy a new cover entirely, you can do that as well. So that's also awesome. But yeah, I'm really glad I got this instead of having like the thing with the out extended thing, because I'm glad I'm never gonna take this couch apart again. It's just, I just know how much like it sucks to move already and do a new home, and it's so much work, you know what I mean? And the last thing I'm gonna wanna do is like take a couch apart and put it back together, because you know, you're gonna have to design it for each individual living room, you know, when you have like those complex setups. So I am glad I don't have it like that. Perfect couch, just like this. So, don't really think I have much more to say. I think I probably talked too much already about a couch as it is, actually. So, peace out.